Hello friends, my name is Anuja and I am a certified medical coder. In today's video, I am going to review one of the most renowned medical coding institutes to help you decide whether you should begin your CPC exam preparation journey with them. But before I jump into the actual review, I want to share the 10 important points that I will consider in this review series. This will help you understand exactly what matters when choosing the right institute. First, I will talk about the accreditation and recognition of the institution. Is it officially recognized? Is it aligned with industry standards like AAPC guidelines? Next, I will review whether the curriculum is updated and detailed. Does it cover the latest coding guidelines? Is it aligned with current CPC exam patterns? I will also evaluate the teacher's experience. Are they certified coders themselves? Do they have real industry exposure? I will also check whether they provide hands-on training, real-life case studies, and practice exercises as a part of curriculum. I will speak about the exam, CPC exam preparation, all support that you get from the institution, internship and job after completion of the course, access of updated coding books. If yes, for how long? Is it for a limited time or is it for a lifetime? Do they provide access to updating coding books? I will also be talking about delivery options, whether is it online, offline or hybrid. I will also analyze reviews from past students, whether they are successfully cleared the AAPC CPC exams. Finally, I will evaluate whether the course fee is justified, the duration is appropriate, flexible payment options are available. So now let's begin the review. Let's review Udemy. This is an online course and they are offering medical coding certified professional coder training, which includes ICD-10, CPT, HCPCS, and these are the important topics to be covered to be a medical coder. And what else you are going to learn here? CPC, they are making you prepare for CPC exam. So this is a plus point. Okay, you will get on-demand video, which will be accessed on mobile and TV. And lectures you will get. If we talk about the curriculum, they have ICD-10, CPT. They are making you prepare for CPC exam. Also, question and answers are explained. The curriculum is good, but AI part is missing, and AI is the most advanced topic to be covered to be a medical coder. So this is a disadvantage, I feel. And here are the different plans for different courses. You may check it out. Also, they have experienced instructors with 10 plus years of experience. Okay, and here are the reviews. You may check it out by yourself. Okay, the courses are by Miss Sunita B. These are the courses. Okay, so that was it. So now let's rate this institute according to these parameters. Accreditation and recognition, okay, it is recognized with AEPC, so I would rate this one. Updated and comprehensive curriculum, yes, they have a well-designed curriculum, but AI part is missing and AI is the most advanced topic to be covered. So I would give this 0.4. Qualified and experienced instructors, yes, they have an experienced instructor with 10 plus years of experience. So I would give this 1. Practical training and case studies, okay, they haven't listed about this, so I would give this 0. Certification exam preparation support, yes, they are making you prepared for CPC exams, so I would give this 1. Internship and job placement assistance, they are not saying anything about this, so I would give this 0. Access to updated coding books and software, nothing was mentioned, so I would give this 0. Flexible learning options, okay, only online mode is there, so I would give this 0.3. Student reviews and success rate, it is there, you may check it out by yourself, so I would give this 1. Course fees, duration and payment option. Course fees, they have listed, they have different plans. Duration is also there, okay, and payment option is also there, so I would give this 1. Okay, so the overall ranking we have here is 5.7. Okay, they have a comprehensive curriculum, but AI part is missing. Also, they are not saying anything about the practical training part and neither about the coding books and software. Okay, so as per me, this is the online course. So you may consider this. They have a recorded videos, the recorded lectures. You may check it out. Also in the description, I have put one of the best institute links which covers all these parameters and gives you 100% placement guarantee. You may check it out. That institute ranks 10 on 10 in terms of these parameters. So you may check it out. So that was it. Thank you so much for watching.